Consistent, intentional actions of love lead to more predictable feelings of love. So continue to perform acts of love despite your lack of feeling when those days arrive.
In you, I've discovered not only the depths in my faith, but also the beauty in my flaws.
People like you don't exist anymore, but somehow you're standing right here in front of me. My own little gift from God.
On behalf of Matt and Persephone, welcome to the most special day of their lives when they become husband and wife.
To my dearest bride, Persephone Andromeda Arellano, you often ask me, what do you love about me? You deserve an answer to that question. I love you from the top of your little head to the tips of the calloused toes on your runner's feet.
Just one of the most caring and passionate people I've ever met. She truly doesn't have a negative word to say about anyone. And how could she? She doesn't have time. Between killing it at work, 6 a.m. workouts, which she made us all take part in this morning.
The bride has arrived.
I love your sweetness and your patience, though I probably test it too often. I love your boundless energy. It inspires me every day.
I see the growing person God wants you to be. And I want to be by your side and help you become this person, the absolute best version of yourself. I choose you to be my forever. My heart overflows with emotions that words can scarcely capture. As we stand on the thresholds of forever, I eagerly anticipate falling in love with every version of you.
As you continue in your commitment and faith, you will discover that marriage is a vehicle through which you can help each other become your glorious future selves through sacrificial service and spiritual friendship.
Now turn around.
When I met Matt, he was a real work in progress. He was nothing more than a 6'2" Corvette driving high school valedictorian, Eagle Scout, and drummer turned college baseball player. So as you can imagine, I felt the need to take him under my wing.
As I stand here before God and you, I make this oath. I vow to support your dreams. I vow to bring out the best in you. I vow to love you unconditionally till my last breath.
I've enjoyed coming to San Diego and seeing the love that you both have for one another. There's been something extremely special about being here and seeing these folks, these relationships over the past years that you guys have shared. And I can't help but think of what you both have been able to achieve individually and imagine what you're going to do together.
I promise to fight for your love every day like it's the last. I promise to support you and shoulder any of your burdens as my own. I promise to appreciate you. I won't say it enough, but please know it's true, and I hope to prove it to you again every day.
As a minister of God, I pronounce you husband and wife. Matt, please seal your covenant of love with a kiss for your bride.
The place. Thank you for being my rock, my partner. I promise to cherish every moment, from the smallest whisper of I love you to the grandest adventures that we'll share, with all my love and devotion for loving future wife.